The most important part as my bonus tip, free. It costs $0.00. Turn on your cell phone and start recording. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about the best equipment if you want to get started shooting your own YouTube videos. The different camera equipment I use, why I use it, a few of the pros and the cons, the cost, how necessary it may or may not be depending on what you intend on shooting or, the content of the videos that you're going to be uploading and creating. Your phone. You want to start shooting YouTube videos? Your phone is all you need. It costs $0.00. Turn on your cell phone and start recording. Cell phones today have amazing quality, great audio, great picture quality. It's all up to you what you can bring to life using your cell phone. So you don't need any crazy equipment. I mean, my first video wasn't all that, but it was a learning experience. It was fun. I had an amazing time on that trip at the Monkey Forest in Bali, or we had an amazing time, I should say. We made the best of what equipment we had available to us. You can have a computer. I use Mac. It's just what I've been using for years. I bought this brand new. I don't know, I think I spent like $1,300 on it from the Apple store. MacBook Air, in my opinion, great travel computer. With the MacBook Air, I was able to use iMovie, edit the video, and have it uploaded. Basic editing, nothing too crazy, no 4K. The MacBook Air is cool. A gimbal is what people use to get those buttery smooth shots. There's something called B-roll. So if you see someone talking over a video and get a look at what they're talking about, that's called B-roll. And even for vlogging is good. The GoPro, which I'm shooting on now, GoPro Hero8, which I'll get to on more later, also has pretty good stabilization. If you're just using your phone, this is a great accessory to have. It'll just give you nice, smooth footage. So I can shake it around and you see that the camera's kind of trying to keep up. If you want to look at something, you could lock it. So even if I turn my hand, it stays focused on whatever your subject is or whatever you're attempting to shoot. So this is a great investment. I think it was like $100 for this. I bought it. It was brand new. Caught it on Craigslist. You don't have to always buy everything new. You don't want to break the bank, especially if you're just starting out a YouTube channel, you're trying it out. You don't know if you're going to keep doing it or not. It also has a tripod. Tripod is cool, more steady footage, time lapses, etc. Used this on the beach a lot, good quality. It worked well, charges with the USB-C, has a little carrying case. It's not too heavy. It did get a little bit annoying to carry around all day, but I'd rather have it than not have it, just because at that time, I didn't know what I was going to be shooting, how I was going to shoot it, exactly what shots I wanted, or an outline, or, a list of things that I wanted to make sure I had shot to make my videos more high quality, take it that extra step. That's it for the basic list. You don't need much. Cell phone, computer, which you don't even need because you can also edit on your phone, and the gimbal just to go an extra step. But that's pretty much the most basic list because the cell phone, you already have it. Everyone has it. Everyone has a powerful shooting tool in their pocket. And if you want to upload content, just get shooting, use it. Now onto my more advanced list. The GoPro Hero8, which I'm currently shooting on right now with the tripod. Why do I like it? It's versatile, it's light, waterproof. And on top of that, you really get top-notch quality with the GoPro. You can't go wrong if you want to just have something a touch more than your phone. I have it on the GoPro tripod selfie stick. It's not really the one I wanted, but that's just the one that was available. The only thing I don't like about the GoPro is it sucks in low lighting. The low light quality is terrible. You get a lot of grains and noise, and just the quality isn't as good in my opinion when you're shooting in low light situations. and that's why I also shoot on my Sony a6000. The Sony a6000 is, in my opinion, a great mirrorless camera. The mirrorless is lighter, the quality is awesome. What you see on the screen is what you get. The Sony a6000 has a flip out screen, more adjustability. You can shoot in 60 frames per second, same as the GoPro. Spare battery. The GoPro Hero 8 battery life is not the best. If you keep it off of wireless connectivity, then you can extend the life a bit more. 20, 25 bucks, it's 20 euros here, so I'm guessing like 25 bucks US. This is an awesome investment just to have a backup battery for when you're on vacation. You're just out shooting whatever, having an extra battery is always a major key. The only things that I don't like about the a6000 is the lack of an audio jack. I got that camera for Black Friday on sale. I paid just under 400 euros. The kit that I purchased with the stock lens, it came with a bag, a memory chip, which you can basically throw in the garbage. That typically goes for 500 euros, which is somewhere closer to 600 US. And at just under 400 euros, I paid somewhere around 450-ish US, if I'm not mistaken. When I purchased the Sony a6000, I had it in mind to shoot some cinematic footage, which you might have saw from the video in Germany, which is mainly what I used. The GoPro I used for vlog style, just walking, talking, but the Sony a6000 I used because it shoots at 60 frames per second, and afterwards I would have to slow it down in post when doing my editing. So I realized the Mac Air is just too slow, that the machine is just not built for that. I wasn't able to run Premiere Pro. So I got a used Mac Pro. The Mac Pro used, they're like $200-300 bucks, still great machines, perfectly capable of running Premiere Pro. Not the most updated one, but the one prior, but it's still fine and it works for me. I got the slim Apple keyboard. The monitor was about 100 euros on sale. This, I think I caught for 100 euros. Mouse, got it from Asian. I don't know where she got it from, but whatever. Free Bluetooth mouse. The screen, widescreen, 24-inch, great quality. I wanted to be able to really see what I was editing. A microphone. I ordered a microphone, the Boya M1. Unfortunately, it hasn't come in yet, but it helps for something like this. You probably hear that my voice sounds a little bit different, or if I step away from the camera. But the GoPro can get the job done. Not quite the same, but it'll get it done. I would say the most important part of equipment that you need is yourself. It costs $0.00, 0 euros, or whatever currency is from wherever you're watching. It costs you nothing to jump on camera and be yourself. Talk in the mirror or take out your phone. Record yourself, see what you like, don't like, you know, just try to get yourself comfortable with this. This isn't easy for most people. I don't think it's not easy for me. You just got to do it. You got to get out there and do it. Just hit record. If you like the content, if you got some value out of this, like, subscribe, share, just keep watching.